So every now and again these big birds come and visit my yard, and I've just always called them the big budgie. Because they look like a great big budgie to me, like a budgie on steroids. Imagine a normal budgie that's increased in size, by at least 4 or 5 times the size of a normal budgie. And these are like the Godzilla budgies, or big budgies I call them. And I found out today they're called the pale-headed rosella. So I didn't know that till today. I've only just done a bit of research and found out. But anyway, I got this video of them flying around my yard, and they make this beautiful call, and they wag their tail while they do it. They look so cute. They wag the tail and make this call. And now whenever I hear it, I run outside to have a look at them. But they're very skittish. They're very easy to scare. And this video was taken on a very windy, stormy sort of day. So the video is shaking and the bad sound, audio sound and that. But just bear with me. I'll try and get better video in the future. But here's the video that I took on this rainy, stormy day. The best I could take. So sorry about the quality. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching. So we get big budgies around here. They're like great big budgies. There they are. And they make that distinctive sound. They come by quite often now.
No, we've got another two.
There's two up in there. They're like massive budgies, like the size of...
Yeah.
Well, the size of parrots, yeah. Size of a big parrot. But they look like budgies. So it's quite funny when we first saw them. We first saw them a while ago, but they're coming around quite often now. They do a funny waggy tail thing when they... And the other ones are answering. They've got two more in the other tree. I'll try and zoom in on those. Do your tail. Go on. How beautiful. Okay. I'll try and zoom in on the other ones. Where the others?
One's over this side.
Oh yeah, I see. Yeah, I see. Is he? There we go. So they're getting ready to go as well. There they are. There they go. They're both gone over into there. They're beautiful.